Parkour. There we go.
Fucked up again? Mm-hmm. Very. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Good businessman.
Very good. Always knows what he's doing on the business side of things.
No.
Hell fucking no. Yeah. I'm voting for Bernie Sanders. Yeah.
Says the same thing.
There we go.
Every time he's asked something, he brings up something.
Mm-hmm.
Especially Marco Rubio. Yeah, same question.
I think this is how you do it.
I've heard it both ways.
Yep, I did it. Dum beta. Okay.
Mitt Romney.
I wish he would have won the first try. Kinda
All
late.
right.
Naming everything that he is.
It's a long list.
No, song request is not on.
Video. Damn, you fit all of that into there?
Just do something. I mean, in order for you to get audio, it'd have to go through my headphones.
Okay. Donald Trump, you're a jackass.
So, I mean, I can play audio or music, but it'll have to go through my headphones. If you're fine with that.
Oh my god, that'd be amazing. That needs to happen.
No, not really.
Yeah, no, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. For real though. Anyone else?
Alright, I need to get some cows. Somehow. That's gonna be the hard part.
You're really ready to do that right now, aren't you?
Yeah.
I mean, don't do it yet. Yeah, not yet. Wait until Mom's home and say it to her, and wait till I'm in here.
Well, I wasn't planning for you to be in there.
That's a good thing.
Alright. How am I gonna do this? I'll just leave it at that for now. Open the gates. Alright. Alright, time to build my... Alright, this is gonna be my cow. It's not much, but it's better than nothing. Alright, so that's gonna be my cows. And let's see. What else? I guess I can do chickens. Yeah, I'll do a chicken farm.
That'd be pretty awesome.
You're watching Dread with your girl. Nice. I need to make some fence gates, so... There we go. Gaycraft 3.0. Oh, haha. Go away, Lily. Oh, Jesus.
Or if you're just talking about a new series or something.
She's probably talking about this, yeah.
You completely missed the point of me saying that. Can we get an oblivious in the comments, please?
Love you. After yesterday, I don't think I can.
Ooh, putting hammer down.
Alright, so that's my chicken pen. I got my cows up here. I just need to find cows. That's gonna be the easy part. Do I need to make any other farms?
Sheep.
Sheep?
Yes.
Do I need sheep?
I feel like I do, so I'm gonna make a sheep farm.
I mean, I don't really need wool. And if I do, I can just go over to your house and take some.
No.
No. I would make a pig, but I have that. Oh, wait, I can make a better farm than what I have downstairs. Could do that. What you making? This is a farm. It's gonna be a terrible looking one, but as long as it gives me food, that's all I would care about.
You're probably after it. My mom too. Two of my mom things.
That's a bold statement, my friend.
Oh, I thought that was my house. Alright, I'm gonna go make a shovel. What am I doing? Can't make a shovel out of stick or cobble. There's my sticks.
Do you have an egg that I can have?
I might. I have 3 eggs. Yeah, you can have one.
Alright. Give me one.
Yeah, it's in my chest in the bottom right.
You remember when I told you I forgot to pull up my stream? Or I couldn't pull up my stream? Well, now I forgot to do it, and...
Somebody commented.
I hate missing it every single time. Okay, it's pulled up. Whoever just commented, say what you said again.
Yeah, because this is a noob
Shut
at
up.
streaming.
No, I'm just forgetful.
That too.
Streaming's easy.
Sure it is.
Well, I mean, you click play. That's it. You're done there.
Yeah.
That's it.
I thought streaming was easy, buddy.
Didn't I just say that? I didn't change anything.
So while he's experiencing technical difficulties, I'm going to keep mining. Trying to make my
I'm
farm.
not experiencing technical difficulties. What the hell?
I thought they couldn't see what you're doing.
Fuck, it's Shadow. I knew it. I felt like it was Shadow too.
Oh, that's why he went quiet.
You know what he said. You already know exactly what he said.
Yeah, I do. Alright, I think this is a big enough farm. God dang it.
Sticks count.
And I may be a critic, and drank Monster today. Oh jeez. Like you're one to talk, Lily. Drinks another. You have a 4-pack. Jesus.
Sticks in.
Huh?
If you were organized, what would you put sticks in?
Sticks? I'd put that in crafting.
I don't have a crafting chest.
It's not my problem. Now is it?
You're starting to skip really bad.
So are you, buddy.
What?
Yeah.
I heard none of that.
Oh, I was saying you're starting to skip as well.
The hell are you saying?